Look, there's Louie the daddy. Kiki smelling her daddy's butt. Hey, Kiki. And that's her mother. Hey, Lollipop, get back here. Make a good move. And come on, Lollipop.
Oh, they keep that pocket.
Yeah. Lollipop, here. Whoa, hey Kiki. Yes, Louie, I'm trying to make a good movie here. Bob Saget.
Tell me what your name is.
It's Lanisha Young.
Okay.
She's not bigger than Lollipop style.
Bob Saget.
Are you stressed out?
So
Oh,
happy. Look at. She feel her Lollipop is mother. Look, we make movie. She's so
I am.
happy.
Yeah,
Kiki.
And
Kiki.
I wrote.
Oh. Kiki, bum bum.
It's called
She's so happy.
Natty. Alright, let's hear it.
Dad. And that's her mom. American Idol's on. I like when people say, like, I'm your next American Idol. That's just it. Wow. Your singing was shitty, but you know that confidence you showed when you told us you were our next American Idol? That's right. You can go. Oh, and this is only auditions. You can go straight through and win the thing. Go right to the end, idiots.
Okay,
Alright. Who's that?
Coco.
Is that Coco? What do you want? She's gonna.